Who was the creator of Bitcoin? And what was Satoshi's vision for Bitcoin? The creator of Bitcoin is named Satoshi Nakamoto. Nobody knows who this mysterious person is. It can be one individual or a group of many working together to develop Bitcoin. In 2008, after the financial crisis crashed the United States economy, both the stock market and the real estate market lost approximately 80% of their value, and almost all U.S. banks were in the bankruptcy stage. The U.S. government bailed them out by printing and adding more dollars into the market and increasing inflation globally, since the U.S. dollar is the world reserve currency. The U.S. dollar is not backed by gold or precious metals that can preserve its value on the market. The more dollars the U.S. Treasury prints, the higher the inflation rises, thus devaluating each dollar. Satoshi Nakamoto saw some flaws in the current payment system. 1. The ability to print an unlimited amount of U.S. dollars with no real value backing each dollar. Currently, there are 31+ trillion U.S. dollars on the global market. 2. The current trust-based payment system model that is managed and controlled by centralized authorities such as banks. All payment transactions need an intermediary such as a bank. 3. In the actual trusted payment system, operated by banks, completely non-reversible transactions are not possible. With that in mind, Bitcoin was created as a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, with the following advantages over our current payment system. 1. Bitcoin is a hedge against inflation because it has a limited amount of coins. Only 21 million Bitcoin can be minted into existence, compared to the US dollar, which has no limit. 2. The Bitcoin network removes the need for an intermediary that facilitates transactions such as banks and pre-funded accounts globally. 3. All transactions within the Bitcoin network are final and non-reversible. We will end Satoshi Nakamoto's revolutionary payment system Bitcoin with its last message ever recorded on the Bitcoin blockchain, on April 26, 2011. You would not stand to get more than pocket change, and the heat you would bring would likely destroy us at this stage. This was a message sent to WikiLeaks after it announced its plan to accept donations in Bitcoin. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so that we can reach more people through YouTube's algorithm, which can rank us higher.